This is one of the iconic trails in Victoria High Country, and if you come to the Victoria High Country, this is a track you must do. Today we're doing the Blue Rag Range track. Blue Rag Range track, not super hard. I'm just in 4 low. Oops, just scraped out there. I'm in 4 low, 16 psi, and I'm usually about 2nd or 3rd gear all the way along. So I'm up at Trig Point on the Blue Rag track, and it's bloody beautiful up here. There's the slightest bit of wind. It's for about 5 degrees, and there's no one else here. And there's a bit of cloud around. I can see why it's one of Australia's most favourite four-wheel drive tracks. This is just incredible. The driving along here was just amazing along the ridge line, and just spectacular views left and right. Just both sides, just awesome. It's hard to drive by yourself and still look out into the views, because you still got to keep an eye on that track. Alright, so that was a great track to do. Beautiful views up here. Time to get back down and get some fuel.